Hello, YouTube. It's your girl Felicia from Be Sew in Peace. Hope you're doing well. I'm coming to you with my quick little Goodwill haul. We're up here in Kansas, so we went to the Goodwill in Pittsburgh. Hadn't been there, let's say this year. I don't think I've been this year, but I had got some good deals. I had bought. My aunt had gifted me one Christmas roaster pan. Loved that roaster pan. It finally gave out, and I ordered a new one on Walmart. Ordered, went and picked up. I don't remember, or maybe Amazon, not for sure. But it was just another roaster pan. But I walked through and I saw one, and my daughters, I love to fix my ribs in the roaster pan. And when they come up, that's usually what I fix is ribs because I love ribs. But my daughter, they was like, "Oh, these are so good. The meat just falls off the bone and everything." So I saw that roaster pan and I thought of my daughters, so I bought it. It was only like $11. I'm gonna insert the picture. It's in the house. I cleaned it, and I picked the roasted chicken in there yesterday for dinner just to make sure it worked before I took it to her. Very good. So that was my first find. And remember the ribbon skirt I'm trying to finish. Skirts made, just need to add the ribbons. But I saw this rickrack. And I thought this would match green, and there's also a white, and then there's a pink. It looked like it's that much on the pink though, but thought that would be cute. I need to hurry up and get finished with this. It's been too long. It's been setting. So that's on my to-do list. Hopefully this week. I don't be so tired. I need to get that done. And I picked up, I brought it up here to sew and I haven't even touched it. Sad. But I went to Hobby Lobby last week. Pick up some more colors that would match in it. Of course, the ribbon was on sale, so I picked up colors that I thought, and I took a swatch with me, and they all match, of course. I just gotta get it. I just gotta do it and get it over with, and then maybe add that rip rack into it if it's not too hard to sew down on it. Drive my nerves crazy. But yeah, that's on my to-do list to finish. I saw. I'm sorry, my face is itching. These barrettes. I thought about making bows for my granddaughter hair with all the ribbon I have. I did a video yesterday. I did several videos. Went out in the garage and showed my ribbon stash out there. Not for sure if it's going to upload on. It won't upload on this one because I was trying to clean out the she shed. Since it was here an extra day, I wanted to spend the time cleaning, and that didn't happen. I mean, I got some few things done, but it's still a hot mess. But anywho, I found these earrings. Make sure my mic is still going. Went to my 40th high school reunion, and they sold earrings at the museum, and it was beadwork earrings, and there were some beautiful ones. But I'm gonna go back because I was rushing because Daddy was in the car. My husband, I call him Daddy, was in the car, and I knew he was ready to go. So I just grabbed this white pair, and of course my phone's. I found these ties. Let me stop it because this girl. I'm cooking. I'm back. Sorry about that, but I'm smoking some steak. And he's calling about that because the smoker is that close to the house, and I'm in shit. But these earrings I got. I also saw these purple ties, and I want to make those junk ties that they have. I have the jewelry in the house at Oklahoma, but I saw these, and I'm sure I have ties. I know I have more ties at the house because when we were in Wichita, I found a Goodwill up there, and the ties were like 50 cents. And I started out sewing the ties on this because I wanted to make a bucket hat. So they're on scraps sewed up. This was in one of the boxes I pulled out. So yeah, I've already started. I actually need to take this home and just cut my pattern around it. And I think that was one of Gail's pajamas that tore up. But yeah, I'm gonna make a bucket hat out of it. I saw that on somebody's channel a couple years ago. That was very cute. But I know I bought a bag of ties, but again, these were purple, and I'm gonna make the little junk ties that they're doing now. I found this picture, $2.99, and it's gonna go wherever I can find some free wall space. Which is sad in here because I don't have much wall. I have the walls, but the space is limited. They put it on my purple inspiration wall. And the big find that I found was these curtain panels. Look at that. It's so fall, right? And as soon as I saw it, I thought of wide leg pants. I mean, that's the wide leg right there. And let's see, I actually pulled a pattern out. Simplicity, look at those wide legs. If I don't do it that way, I'm gonna do it, excuse me, that way, and for boots. And I'm thinking more of this way, to wear some boots and then put it on, sew a jacket. I see the vision. Let me see, grab that pattern real quick. I have a little cubby that I keep patterns that I want to make right away, and I believe it's in this cubby. Yeah, it is. It was actually on one of the Facebook hauls that I had showed before. But I think it would be cute with that vest and those right there. That's my vision for that. But it's not going to happen right now because I need to. My granddaughter has a birthday party this weekend. I really don't need to make nothing. I can wear something like this. I made this a couple of years ago, and it's so cute and comfy. I love it. I don't remember. I think the fabric was from, it was either Joann's or Hobby Lobby, but the back is out because it's hot. It's 100-degree weather, so it's comfortable. But I'm thinking of this outfit. Here's the old pattern. This one I probably got in the Facebook group as well. But I'm thinking of that short set right there because we're gonna go to a water park, and that look like it'll be easy to get in and out of for my swimsuit. So I'm gonna cut that out today, and I'm thinking I found this fabric in my stash, and it is from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, there's Hobby Lobby on the salad, and I think I'm gonna cut that out right now. And I don't know how much of it I'll get sewed up, but that is my Goodwill haul. Thought it was a good one. So I shall see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll check you on the next one.